Friends, today we are making these 4 types of pranthas which can be eaten with any veggies, any chicken or anything you like to eat, because when we go to restaurant we order different types of pranthas, that is pudina prantha, hari mirchi prantha, red chili prantha or plain prantha. So today I am making all these 4 pranthas, so you see them and enjoy them. So today I am making green chili prantha, pudina prantha, red chili prantha. So for that I took 2 cups of plain wheat flour and I am going to knead it now. For kneading I am putting just a pinch of salt and ajwain in it because it gives a very good taste in it. So, and I need water for that. We have to knead very nicely because if the flour is nice, the prantha will also be very nice, very soft. We put water slowly so it should not be too soft. Those should be very nice and peelable nicely. First we'll knead the dough, then we'll put little oil in it just to make the dough nicely. You have to knead this with the hand, or you have a kneading machine, you can knead with that also. Now I'll put little oil to make the dough nice and soft. Now we keep the dough for 10 minutes so it will be nicely done. So now the flour is ready, so we are just making like this only. It's ready to knead, and now we'll start making paratha. So we'll go to the gas. So we take this pot. You can take any pot like this, aluminium, steel, or any pressure cooker. So first we have to heat it from the down, then we can heat it from all the sides. You can see while cooking. Meanwhile it's getting heated, I am making this, getting this ready, these pranthas. So we'll make first plain ball like this. We are making 4 at a time. So I'll make we took this one plain ball, and you have to concentrate on this, that how I make it into a paratha. This is the main steps, so that you have to watch it nicely. First we roll it like this. Now we'll put butter on this. This is melted butter. Now we'll put some this dry flour on it. And see this my folding. We have to pleat like this. See? This, again this, again this, until it finishes. So now this is like this, and now we'll roll it like this. This, and this last end will keep it at the bottom. So this is ready, and now we'll put it green chili on it. We'll make all four like this. Then now we have to heat this from this side also. Now this pot is also very hot. We can put this now in this. We have to take little water and just put nicely water on one side like this and put it like this. If it is not hot, it will fall down from this. It will not stick nicely. I'll heat for 1 to 2 minutes to this all side and then we'll turn it upside down. Now we are turning it upside down so that we cook from both the sides. Yeah, now we can check it from inside. They are almost ready now. We can put, after 2-3 minutes they are almost ready. You can take them out like this. See, they will come out nicely. When they are ready, they will come out nicely. So they are, if you want to eat crisp, you can just crisp it like this also, a little bit. If you want more crispy, and it takes just a half a minute or something like this. So this is ready. will switch off the gas and will butter them nicely. They are ready to serve. You can eat it with any veggies, chicken, veggie, anything you like to eat.